everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 9, climbing high. So let's begin with question number 1. So question number 1 is choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter or alphabet in the box provided against each question. Question number 1, what does mountaineering mean? Options are A. Slipping off a mountain, B. Climbing into a valley from a mountain, C. Climbing a mountain, D. Going to the foot of the mountain. Answer is C. Climbing a mountain. Next, number 2. What is the first thing that is done to climb a mountain? Options are A. Walk 26 km in the valley with a heavy bag, B. Take training in mountaineering, C. Get attached to a group directly, D. Become a group leader. Answer is B. Take training in mountaineering. Next, number 3. Which of the following is not a responsibility of a mountaineering group leader? Options are A. Arranging food for the group member, B. Taking care of each group member, C. Searching for a good place to rest and stay, D. Hammering nail into the rock and dangling the rope. Answer is D. Hammering nails into the rock and dangling the rope. Next, number 4. The group leader of group 7 could not converse with one of her group member, Khondonbi, because options are A. Khondonbi was deaf and dumb, B. Khondonbi was very arrogant, C. Khondonbi knew only Mizo language, D. The group leader was a shy person. Answer is C. Khondonbi knew only Mizo language. Next, number 5. What was done every morning during mountaineering? Options are A. Every member was medically checked, B. They had to get up and run each morning, C. They had to bath with cold water, D. A campfire was lit. Answer is A. Every member was medically checked. Number 6. What are the arrangements to cross a mountainous river from one side to the other? Options are A. There is a boat, B. There are rocks kept at regular distances, C. There is a strong rope tied from one to the other end, D. One has to swim across the river to the other end. Answer is C. There is a strong rope tied from one to the other end. Next, number 7. Which qualities develop due to mountaineering? Options are A. Self-confidence, B. Leadership, C. Courage, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Next, number 8. What care should a mountaineer take while climbing a rock? Options are A. Let the back bend, B. Keep the back upside down, C. Keep the body at an angle of 90 degree, D. Bend the body. Answer is C. Keep the body at an angle of 90 degree. Now, question number 2. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. Number 1. Paths on mountains are narrow, rough and dash. Answer is steep. Number 2. The responsibilities of a dash are greater than those of every group member. Answer is group leader. Number 3. The first Indian woman to reach the peak of Mount Everest was dash. Answer is Bachendri Pal. Next, number 4. The height of Mount Everest is approximately dash meter. Answer is 8,848. Number 5. The language of Mizoram is known as Mizo. Answer is Mizo. Number 6. There are dash fields on mountain. Answer is steppe. Number 7. The Nehru Institute of Mountaineering is located in dash. Answer is Uttarkashi. Now, let's see question number 3. Put a tick mark in front of the statement that are true and false in front of those statements that are false. Now, number 1. Mountain paths are smooth and flat like ordinary ground. Answer is false. Statement is false. Number 2. A group leader helps group member in all problems. The statement is true. Number 3, one can join any group in order to climb a mountain. The statement is false. Number 4, the mother tongue of Meghalaya state is Mizo. The statement is false. Number 5, vitamin C, iron tablets, and chocolate milk are given at breakfast to keep up the strength and for warmth. The statement is true. Next, number 6, Bachendri Pal grew up in Nakuri village in the Garhwal area of Uttarakhand. The statement is true. Number 7, the height of the Mount Everest is 7,300 meters. The statement is false. Next, we have question number 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter or alphabet from the column B in the answer column. Now they say they have alphabets in the columns, but in both the columns we can see there are only numbers. In the column A also we have numbers, in the column B also we have numbers. So we will write numbers for numbers only. Okay, so in the column A, number 1, Sangeeta Arora. Answer is 3, leader of group 7. Number 2, Bachendri Pal. Answer is 4, first Indian woman to scale Mount Everest. Number 3, Khondonbi. Answer is number 5, a native of Mizoram. Number 4, Brigadier Gyan Singh. Answer is number 1, Bachendri Pal's trainer. Next, question number 5. So, question number 1 is, how are the path of mountains? Answer, mountains paths are narrow, rough and steep. Number 2, what are seen growing in the steppe fields on the mountains? Answer is, fruits and vegetables were seen growing in the steppe fields on the mountains. Next, question number 3, what needs to be done before climbing a flat rock? Answer, before climbing a flat rock, it has to be observed carefully, and hold places where hands and feet can be put have to be identified. Next, number 4, what is rappelling? Answer, after climbing a rock, the rope is used in a special way to climb down the rock. This is known as rappelling. Next, question number 5, which qualities are developed in a person due to mountaineering? Answer, qualities like self-confidence, leadership, and being able to face challenges with courage develop in a person due to mountaineering. Next, question number 6, why did Khondonbi, who had got separated from her group, sing loudly? Answer, by continuing to sing loudly in her Mizo language, it was easy for her group members to locate her. So, Khondonbi would have sung loudly. Now, number 7, what was a pit? Why was a pit dug around the tent put up in the snow for the night halt? Answer, I think a pit was dug around the tent for protection against poisonous creatures and snakes. Next, question number 8. What did Bachendri Pal do with the members of group 7? Answer, Bachendri Pal joined the member of group 7 in singing and dancing on the famous Pahari song Bedu Pako, Bara Masa, Kafal Pako, Chaita and Meri Chela. Next, number 9, why did Bachendri hoist the Indian flag on the peak of Mount Everest? Answer, as a symbol of her achievement and as a mark of respect to her nation, Bachendri hoisted the Indian flag on the peak of Mount Everest. Next, number 10, have you seen the national flag of any other country? Where? Answer, yes, I have seen the national flag of many other countries. I have seen them on television and books. Next, question number 11. Who was Bachendri Pal's guide when she joined the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering? Answer, Brigadier Gyan Singh was guide of Bachendri Pal when she joined the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. So here we complete our question number 5. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with the second part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.